Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. Payments app Fold now allows users to book Airbnb accommodations using Bitcoin and Lightning payments. Users will also receive 3% back in Bitcoin for their bookings, as well as for purchases from Fold's other partners, including some big name retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and Uber. BitGo, the crypto wallet and custodian, said that 20% of Bitcoin transactions pass through its services. While this raises centralization concerns, the company countered by saying users can opt to retain their private keys. In a recent report, the U.S. Federal Reserve addressed stablecoins, saying that while they can create better payment systems for consumers, the possibility of a stablecoin rapidly gaining global scale threatens central bank control over money. Meanwhile, the largest and best known stablecoin, Tether, is planning to introduce a new stablecoin pegged by the price of gold. The coin will be fully backed by gold reserves and should be available before the end of this year. And finally, a collaboration between anonymous users, the so called Unknown Fund, is raising $75 million to promote development of projects which would enhance Bitcoin privacy. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.